Voice Command, Introduction to In-Vehicle Tutorials. Voice commands are a convenient way to operate many of the systems in your Lexus. Pressing the talk switch for the first time will bring up a notification with options to begin voice recognition training. Choosing Do Not Tell Me Again will dismiss the message indefinitely. Or you can view video tutorials and access training videos. Choosing OK will continue with voice recognition. You'll also hear a beep that prompts you to speak a command from the on-screen menu. The microphone active icon will notify you when the system is listening. A green microphone will also appear in the Multi-Information Display, or MID. Speak normally and without pauses while the microphone icon is lit on the screen. With the voice command feature, you can operate your compatible Bluetooth-paired phone. Dial 469-292-4000.
If 469-292-4000 is correct, say call. If not, add or delete digits or start over.
Call.
Calling.
Press the on-hook phone button to end the call. With the voice command feature, you can listen to the audio system, change audio source to AM,
AM,
and operate climate control. Set temperature to 72 degrees.
Changing to 72 degrees.
Once you're familiar with voice command operations, you can customize the voice settings. Select Menu, then select Setup and Voice in the submenu to the left. From the voice settings screen, you can adjust the voice volume, adjust the voice recognition prompts, and a variety of other features. To make the adjustment, select the feature to open it. Then make your changes. Once you've made your selection, select the feature again to close it. The system will save your settings. Press the back arrow button to return to the previous screen. You can always press the talk switch and say, Help.
To see a list of available command examples, say something like phone help. Other available commands are displayed on the screen.
To shorten the time for the beep, turn off the voice recognition prompts by selecting Menu, Setup, Voice in the submenu to the left, and then set the voice recognition prompts to Off. Now, select Off. Once you've made your change, select the feature again to close it. Your system will automatically save your settings. When using voice command, remember, for best results, make sure that your windows are up to reduce background noise. You may also need to reduce your climate control's fan speed from high, as the microphone can pick it up. When speaking, speak normally and without pauses. Pronounce numbers as single digits. And in case of a 0, say 0, not O. Please note that certain words, accents, or speech patterns may be difficult for the system to recognize. Use trained voice recognition to help the voice command system to adapt to your voice. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab, then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your technology quick guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.